Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further.
It's right now thunder.
Environment Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Oh damn. 1050 hertz tone.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 9:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, July 5th, 2019. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Burlington, Oakville. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for City of Hamilton. Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for southern Ontario at 8:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, July 5th, 2019. Rain warning is issued for Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region and Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region. Rain warning is continued for Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region and Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham. A heat warning is continued for City of Toronto.
Information. Oh, we need that there's a thunderstorm warning. And actually, guys, right now, it is currently thunder right now. And I'm actually gonna compile the emergency alerts in one video for this, because right now the weather doesn't look so good. I'm actually gonna compile all emergency alerts I'm gonna capture and compile in one video. Also, I'm watching season 3. Anyways, I'm gonna be back watching some Stranger Things, and if another alert comes in, I'll make sure to record it. Today we are issuing some footage of the severe thunderstorm, which we are possibly thinking it could be taking place right now. So let me just straighten out my camera. I'm going upstairs right now. It's gonna be a bit awkward walking with this tripod up. Not entirely. We're gonna be walking like this. So we're right now in my room. Where do you think this thunderstorm's coming from? That's a nice lightning over there we just experienced. This is a famous scene, what I would call it. So right now it's really raining out there, but there's gonna be some thunder hits. If there's no lightning hits, I'm probably gonna just remove this video from my library. But whatever, I catched one lightning hit though. Flash. Oh boy, imagine yourself watching Stranger Things during a severe thunderstorm and then going to bed
and the power goes off.
Oh, yeah, even worse, the power goes off.
Oh, watch it.
Okay, well, that's over there. Just gonna put my camera back at my weather radio and stop recording now.